Welcome to my channel. How to install a Ring doorbell. 1. Choose the installation location. Decide on a location near your door that provides a clear view of your entryway. Ensure it's within Wi-Fi range. 2. Download the Ring app. Install the Ring app on your smartphone and create or log into your account to manage your device setup. 3. Charge the battery. If your Ring doorbell uses a rechargeable battery, fully charge it using the included USB cable before installation. 4. Shut off power. For wired models, if installing a wired Ring doorbell, turn off the power to your existing doorbell at the circuit breaker to ensure safety. 5. Remove the old doorbell. Unscrew and remove your old doorbell, leaving the wires exposed for connection to the Ring doorbell. 6. Mount the Ring doorbell bracket. Use the included level tool and screws to attach the mounting bracket to the wall. If drilling into masonry or brick, use the provided anchors. 7. Attach the Ring doorbell. Secure the Ring doorbell to the bracket by sliding it in place and fastening it with the included security screws. 8. Set up the device in the app. Follow the app's on-screen instructions to connect the Ring doorbell to your Wi-Fi network and name your device. 9. Test the doorbell. Press the doorbell button to test its functionality, ensuring it rings properly and streams live video to the app. Thank you for watching.